So we have some trig ones, right? So these are just kind of execution of things we talked about in class. So in 17, we have both an even and an odd power. So in these situations, we always want to factor out one of the odds. So we want to rewrite this as cosine of x times sine squared of x cosine to the fourth power of x dx. Right, so we know that this cosine of x is the derivative of sine. Right, so we want to have a u substitution that involves sine. So if we look at cosine, right, we know that cosine squared, that's a highlighter, we know that cosine squared of x is 1 minus sine squared of x. So this cosine to the fourth power is like cosine squared squared. So we have 1 minus sine squared of x squared. We still have that sine of x. And we still have the cosine of x that we haven't touched. All right, so to make our life easiest, let's just expand out that 1 minus sine squared. But that's going to be 1 minus 2 sine squared of x plus sine to the fourth power of x. We still have everything out front. So let's now multiply our sine in, because then we're going to get a cosine of x that I'm just going to throw here, cosine of x dx, because that's going to be our derivative in our u substitution in a moment. So I have sine of x minus 2 sine cubed of x plus sine to the fifth power of x times cosine dx. So if we say now, let's u equal sine du is cosine, and we get the integral of u minus 2u cubed plus u to the fifth times du. And this is a nice, easy integral, right? U squared over 2 minus 2u to the fourth over 4 plus u to the sixth over 6 plus a constant. So we're going to get u sine squared of x over 2 minus sine to the fourth power of x over 2 plus sine to the sixth power of x over 6 plus our constant.